Hello, welcome to the Luxor Corner King Suite. This is our bathroom, which is the very first thing you'll see when you enter to the right or left. A lot of counter space, which is great. A shower here with a sliding door. And it looks like a decent shower head. Over here we have our iron board, some hangers, you got your safe, you got room for your luggage, full-length mirror. But there's a weird little alcove living room with the slanted, obviously we're in the pyramid, so the windows are slanted. We have a couch, a full couch, we have a chair, table, we have a tiny little fridge. And then you have your main larger space, which is your bedroom. It is a king bed. This TV console has lots of drawers. I appreciate the little details. They're fun. King bed. Feels soft. The AC was off when we came in and it was like 80 degrees and stifling. It's cooled down within the last 15 minutes. We put it on 70 and it's great. Each bedside has a table lamp. The best thing, save for last, is this tub. This here, you can sit and watch your head and peer out. I can actually see the mountains over there, over there, over there, and plains. So that is our Hops and Hardways review. We got this room comp, but then upgraded, so paid for that. So for 3 nights, it was about $400 total with the resort fee and the upgrade cost. So that's pretty good.